Well, hello and welcome to another iBug Byte segment, and today I'm going to show you how to take a link to a website and put it on your home screen. And since of course we are iBug, why not use ibugtoday.org as an example, right? Alright, so I'm going to use Google Chrome for this, but you can do the very same thing in Safari. It's the exact same process. You're going to use your share sheet in both instances. The only real difference is where the share sheets are located on the particular browsers and where the add to home screen part is on those share sheets. But for the sake of time, I'm just going to do it in Google Chrome. So I am in the iBug Today website here.
Address and search bar, ibugtoday.org secure
All right,
button.
so if I swipe to the right once,
Share button.
and go to the share button here.
Close button. iBug Today.
All right, so it's a little ways down the screen here, so for the sake of time, I'm going to start at the very bottom right-hand corner here.
Add to reading list button.
All right, it's adding reading list. I'm going to swipe to the right with one finger a little bit here.
Add to bookmark, create a queue, find and pay, request desk print, but add to home screen button.
All right, there's your add to home screen. I'm going to double tap on that now.
Text field is editing. iBug Today. Insertion point at end.
All right, so that gives you the name of the website. Now you can change this if I swipe to the right once.
Clear text button.
You can clear the text and change the name. I'm not going to do that though. I'm going to swipe to the right again here.
https://ibugtoday.org/dimmed.
All right, so it gives you the link.
An icon will be added to your home screen so you can quickly access this website from your default browser.
All right, so it's going to tell you that's what it's going to do. It's going to add it to the home screen. So if I want to do that, I'm going to go to the top right-hand corner here.
Add button.
And hit the add button.
Chrome.
All right, now what it did is it added it to the home screen, but it took me out of the browser. I'm in the folder where that browser is. If I swipe to the right here.
11 reader.
And if I swipe back to the left,
Chrome.
So I can go back to Chrome, but I'm in the folder. So let's see, where did it put it on the home screen? I'm going to go back to home here.
Files.
And what I've practiced this a little bit. It actually put it on page 2 of my home screen. Now, depending on your device, it may put it on page 1 or page 2 or page 3, depending on how you have your folders arranged. So I know that's where mine is, so I'm going to go to page 2 here.
Adjusted page 2 of 3.
All right, so I'm going to swipe to the left once here.
iBug Today.
And there it is. iBug Today is now on my home screen, albeit on page 2. Now, you can do the very same thing that you do with any app on your home screen. If I swipe down with one finger,
edit mode.
I can go to the edit mode and double tap.
Started editing.
So I can swipe down with one finger and
delete.
I can delete it.
Drag iBug Today.
I can drag it somewhere else on the home screen. I can put it on page 1 if I want to.
Activate. Default.
I can activate it. Keep swiping down.
Stop editing apps.
Stop editing apps.
Delete.
Delete. Now, I'm going to delete it from my home screen because I want to show you what happens when you do that. I'm going to hit double tap on the delete button.
Alert. Delete bookmark. Are you sure you want to delete the bookmark iBugs Today?
Now, keep in mind, when it says delete bookmark, it is not going to delete it from the bookmarks in your browser if that's where you have it saved. It's only going to do it on the home screen. So I'm going to swipe to the right.
Cancel button.
There's the cancel button if you decide you don't want to do that.
Delete button.
There's the delete button. I'm going to go ahead and double tap on that.
Edit button.
All right, so I've deleted it. Now I'm going to go back to my home screen.
10:05 at dock. Page 1 of page 2 of 3.
I'm going to go back to page 2. I'm going to swipe to the left once here.
As our home.
Aha. iBug Today is gone from my home screen. But if I go into my bookmarks, and it's in there somewhere, I know, it will still be in the bookmarks. It's just not on the home screen. So keep that in mind. Don't panic if it says delete bookmark. It's only going to do it from the home screen. And so that is how you set a link to a web page that you like to go to really often if you want to put it on your home screen instead of go through the browser, figure out where it is in your bookmarks. That is how you do it. So I hope you enjoyed the segment, and we'll go back to our regularly scheduled programming, as they say.